Alright, girls and guys, I've got some work done on this. I'm probably going to put the time lapse before this bit of the video. If you couldn't see in the time lapse, I've got a AB register. This is going to be A. This side is going to be B. Oh, it might be pretty close to synthesizer. I've got a clear note, which means whenever you step on the pressure plate to add it to the register, you have to clear it afterwards. I thought I smacked it. There it goes. Next sign is set reset. What that does is it comes over and sets the shift register. That's what this circuit is. And you need a bit to come in to set each register, each piece of RAM, which is 3 blocks by, I don't know, like 10-ish, I don't know, that high. The design for this is from Proper English 19. I watch a lot of his videos, that's where I got my analog RAM and the decoder, which I don't really like because it requires a 3-tick pulse, and it seems like everything else he builds is 2-tick, so I have to downclock it so this thing will actually work. I might build my own someday. I was thinking about building a torchless or a torchless burnout decoder, so I can clock it as fast as I want. To reset the registers, you need to clear the note, then put in that bit. So now this lock has 1 bit in it, and then instead of just clicking the clock to increment it once, I'm lazy and I just put a standard loop clock. I don't really like using hoppers yet. I don't know if it has less impact on the server or not, but I'm old school. That's what I use. So after that runs for a bit, you can turn it off and then reset it. That adds that bit back in there. Probably my next video I know I'm going to do more RAM because this can be stacked that way, and I might automate some of this process. I know I said I would with my digital one, but I don't know if I'm going to rebuild the digital one. That thing is massive, and analog is basically compressed digital. But to add it, you just clock it, and that sends the bit incremented 1 forward, and that sets the RAM. This RAM is fed from the top from this binary to analog. I don't know if it's a decoder or encoder. I'm not really sure. But this line enables it to pick up information from that line. Then whenever it's turned off, it disregards what this line is doing, which is really nice. So once I have 1 bit in there, I need to clear it. And it's the same setup as my digital one over there, which I have a video on if you guys want to watch it. And another note, clock it, clear it, so on and so on. I think I put in 30 different registers of RAM in this line. I could probably go further if I expand the loading chunks on the server. It's just a standard bucket server that I have running on my network. I could probably increase it, but I might want to put it on a more powerful machine. But I can probably get in at least 4 more in this area for different songs, and then you can switch which line you want to mess with. And I'll have to put in a shift register for that, and then it will use all the same controls once I automate it. Put another bit. Clock it. And reset it. The only issue that I have is with this hopper system. You can't really add analog signals together, you have to subtract from 15. So this is a line of 15 subtracted by 1 bit, or 1 signal strength, because it's not really a bit since it's analog. Then each hopper has 1 more signal strength in it. You saw my last video, you saw me setting these up at the end of the video. But the only issue is, whenever you don't have anything stored, it stores a 15 in the register. That's why whenever I was testing the lamps, it was full 15 when there was nothing in it. Now I'm going to read the output and it's going to ding a lot, but I'll be quiet so you guys can hear it. I think I'm still overclocking it. Nope, that should work, because I took this one out. I was having issues where I was burning out these torches, had just a timing. I guess that's pretty much it for this video. So there's that 15 flashing. Yeah, I've got a lot of work to do on this analog circuitry, but wow, that's really laggy for some reason. It's probably because I'm running a line all the way there and back, causing it to update all this. Well, thanks for watching.